Everyone giving everything you got. Everyone trying, don't you stop. No, don't you stop. For everyone calling out in vain. Everyone living with hurt and pain. Everyone
Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Back out with Graham. Over there, look, there he is. Hey, and Timmy. Woohoo! And it's freezing. Absolutely freezing. We just sat in the car while it hailed like mad for about 20 minutes. So fingers crossed we find something worth it. And I will see you on my first hole. Cheers. Alright, here we go. Timmy's in with the first good find. Look, there he is, look. Oh, can't even see him. Not very. There we go. Look at that. If you can. Focus. There we go. It's a belt. It's a belt buckle, like a clip plate thing. But you can see guy on the left, on the right there is bowling. Guy on the left is stood at the wickets, and it's a cricket scene. You can see the cricket bat at the bottom, ball, cricket bat. Really nice. I like that a lot. Alright, on to the next. Oh dear, right, on to another one. I hope you can't hear the wind because it is really windy. And it's 2 degrees, it's absolutely freezing. And it looks like it's going to hail again, really heavy. I'm on to another one, and it's right there. It looks crap, looks like a doorknob or something, but this feels quiet, so... Oh, just got attacked by a simplex. Get back up there. Stay there. Oh, it's not going to stay, is it? Right. Anyway. It's not a doorknob. No idea what it is, but it's not that interesting. So on to the next. Right, here we go. Just caught up with Timmy, and he's had a whopping great big one. Look at the size of that. It's a penny.
Could be Georgian.
Yeah, more than likely George III, because it's the big, not a cartwheel, but it's the big type 1806 penny. Yeah, it's George III. I can just about see his head. Cool. That's a good coin for a first coin. On to the next.
Okay.
Right, here we are. This was a 70s, yeah, 73, 75. And it's right there, look. That's like a buckle. Ugh. Yep, horsey buckle of some sort. I don't think it's a buckle as per se, because it's got a big flat edge, but it's horse harness related. Cool. Right, on to the next. There we go. Welcome back to the Timmy Show. The Timmy Show today. Look, he's put his metal detector on good today, so it's finding good stuff. There's an anchor button. It is in absolute bits, but it's an anchor button nonetheless. Right, on to the next. Alright, I've got a screaming 79 here. It's right there. Well, actually 70, 71 I think it was. 79, I don't know where I got that from. Oh, look at that. That's why it was screaming. It's a can. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. On to the next. Alright, so I'm back with another one. This was 72-ish. And I can see some green right there. Looks like crap. But we'll have it out anyway. Yep. Just a scrap. Oh, it could be quite old actually. It's got rivet holes in it, so it could be medieval, but it's... Focus. It's not really anything now. There we go. It's got rivet holes in the middle of it. And it's got a lovely patina. But it's starting to hail again, and it's absolutely bitter in this wind. Right, on to the next. Right, my goal for today is to find a coin. Any day I find a coin is a success to me. And this was a good coin signal. Well, I think so anyway. 66. And when I dug it, it was about 71. It's down there. Oh, what is that? Oh, might be better than a coin. Oh, get in, look at that. Has it got any? It's got the iron. Oh, it's a shoe buckle. That's brilliant. Oh, look at that, Georgian shoe buckle. Oh, I'm really pleased with that. I'd be even more pleased if this stupid phone would focus on it. There we go. Look at that. Nice curved shoe buckle. Well happy. Right, on to the next. Well, the sun's come out now. This one, it showed that it was on the top, so I just went down with a pinpointer and it was about an inch down. That's quite nice when you look at that. No idea what it is, but on the back it's a keyhole. So I'm assuming, yeah, oh look at that, and it still works. It swivels. Oh, that's really cool. Right, on to the next. Right, this was mid-50s, before and after I dug it, and it's right there. Bit of crap, well, bit of lead. There we go, piece of lead. Right, on to the next. Well, finally I found something really good. Yeah, that's about the 5th one I've found in this field. Some of them are actually buried, and they give a cracking signal. Right, on to the next. Well, this is a slightly unusual one. I was following the cow track to the trough, and I had an 80, so I thought, well, the cows might have dropped something. And then this little, can I focus on it? Well, it's obviously a broken pot, like a cup, but it's got a metal ring around it, and then in the hole was that. But I've just noticed on that is also, oh, I just broke it off. I just broke it off. There's another one of those on it. So let's see if I can just grab it a minute. There it is. There's another couple of bits of metal off it. So no idea why that cup or whatever it is has got all that on it, but hey ho, on to the next. Well, I wasn't going to be showing any iron today, when to be fair I've only had a few bits with holes in. There we go, that's why that one rang up so good. 68. That rang up. It's a buckle. An iron one. Right. Graham's apparently got 2 military buttons, so we'll catch up with him in a minute. On to the next. Right, here we go. Here's Graham. Well, I'll show Graham. There he is. Hey. He's had 2 general service military buttons, both intact with the shanks. Not bad at all. Right, on to the next. Here we go, look, here we go. We've got Mr. G and Timmy. And they were saying to me to put on film their little idea. I mean, I don't do it yet, not yet anyway. But look, there you go. He ties it off, or they both tie it off to their waist. So when they do any digging, they just sling it away. Instead of chucking it on the floor, it doesn't go on the floor. Keep their deuses clean and dry. There you go. I don't know if anybody else does that, but there's a good idea for anybody. Just tie it off. Doesn't affect your swinging, and it's a good idea. Right, on to the next. Hey. Right, this one was a 70s, mid-70s. And I struggled to get it up for a little while because it had this big root. Really big, thick root there. And I mistook it for iron. I was thinking, oh no, it's a big piece of iron. But can you see right there? Oh, that's a coin. Woohoo! And it's Britannia, 1 penny, and it's George V. You see that? There we go, George V. Can't get a date just yet, but yay, we're on the coins. There we go, fantastic. On to the next. Right, I'm back with another one. It's been a little while. This is in there, and it's a 40s. Jumped up to about 60 at some points, but oh no, I got an ooh then because I thought I saw a rim, but it's not. Well, it's kind of a rim. There you can see that there. Don't know what it could be. Oh, what is that? I don't know, is it a ring? Could it be a ring? Could it be a child's ring? I might give that a little clean up and come back. Well, I think that could be a ring. It's really corroded. It's not off piping or anything, I don't think. It's domed. If you get the outer edge is domed, but the inside's flat like a ring. It's really small, so it could be a child's. But yeah, it looks like a child's ring. I hope it is. Anyway, On to the next. Right, I'm expecting this one to be iron. It's quite big. Oh, no. Oh, it's another can. Oh dear. Oh, it's another bit of can. Looks old. Looks old, but it's not good. Right, on to the next. Well, it's currently absolutely chucking it down. Hammering it down, it is. And it's freezing cold. And look, there he is, Mr. G, still going, look. 77 years old. You would never believe it. And over there is Timmy, who's 62. So he's still old, but not as old as Graham. Oh my god, it's absolutely chucking it down. Good old Simplex, getting soaked. Good job it's waterproof. Right, on to the next. Whew. Well, it's finished now. It was hailing and sleeting and it doesn't know what to do. But we had snow yesterday. Right. Oh, I knew that was going to be iron. Even though it was a good 60s. Oh, that is massive. Right, it's going to the edge. Right, on to the next. Alright, we've got 60s, 70s, and I've just seen it. Oh, nothing interesting again. Piece of lead. Look at that. Just a blob of lead. Nothing exciting. Alright, on to the next. Right, this was a 60s. It was in quite a big tuft of grass, so I wasn't sure. And it's there. What is that? Is that just a piece of wire? What on earth is that? That's something, isn't it? Does anybody know what that is? If you do, put in the comments. Try and focus on it for you. Well, that bit looks like it would have been round and dished. And it looks like it's got a slidey bit that slides up the stem to close it up. That's unusual. I'd love to know what that is. It's got a hanger, like a loop. Cool. Right, on to the next. Alright, just had a early 70s. Right there. I can see it. And it's another piece of lead. But this one could be a squashed bullet. In fact, it is. It's a squashed bullet. Nice big one. It's heavy as well. Right, on to the next. Right, this is a hell of a slope going right down. And I crawled along the edge and I got one. There. I never miss up 20s after my last hammered was a 20s. So what is that? It's just a ring thing, isn't it? Oh, well, there we go. At least it's a find anyway. Right, on to the next. Alright, this one was a 66, well 65, 66. I've opened the plug and gone over it with a detector. I think it's that. I think it's right on top. Or maybe not. I didn't get my pinpointer out purposely because I thought I could see it and now I can't. Oh. Ah. Right, I can see a rim. There we go. Right, please do not be another one of those ring things. Oh yes, we've got coinage. Coinage. Get in. Happy with that? What's the date on it? I think it says 1902, which would be Edward. So let's have a look. Edward the 7th. Yes, it is. Oh, I'm going to get a picture of that. I'll come back. Yeah, look at that. That's a great imprint. Happy with that. 2 coins today. Right, on to the next. Hey, there we go. Oh, look, the sun's come out now. It's been freezing and wet the last hour or so, hasn't it?
Yes.
Well, Timmy kept a few coins secret. He had ended up with 4 coins today. A couple of secret coins.
Knackered.
Nothing to write home about, as he put it. They're a bit knackered. Yeah, not too bad today. Didn't have any silver, nothing shiny, and not too much great, but it's always nice to get out. So until next time, cheers. I'll see you later. Bye.
I'm not giving